Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. With exams just around the corner, let's become masters of multiplication together. Chalo, let's begin. We're going to start our journey at a dairy, where a simple arrangement of butter packets holds a magical secret about multiplication.
Look here, Daljit Kaur has arranged her butter packets in 6 rows, and each row has 13 packets.
But what if she arranged them as 13 rows with 6 packets each? Do you think the total changes?
The crucial point is, the answer is exactly the same. You can swap the numbers in multiplication and it's still correct. This is our first super trick.
Now let's learn some quick tricks, or hacks as you all say on Instagram, to solve problems super fast.
A problem like 14 times 5 might seem a little tricky, but watch this simple method called doubling and halving.
We just make one number smaller and the other bigger. Half of 14 is 7, and double of 5 is 10. Now, what is 7 times 10? So simple.
Okay, let's try another one that looks tough, like 4 times 19, using the nearest multiple trick.
19 is very close to 20, right? So we can just multiply by 20, which is easy, and then remove the extra little bit we added.
4 times 20 is 80, take away 4, and we get 76. See? You are already getting so fast at this.
Now back to our dairy, where the problems are getting much bigger, but don't worry, we have a secret weapon for it.
The dairy now has 453 high-yielding Jur cows, and each one gives 13 liters of milk every day.
That's 453 times 13, a huge number. But with our box method, it becomes very simple.
We break the numbers down by their place value, like 400, 50, and 3, and then multiply each part separately inside the box.
Now, we just add up all the numbers we got inside the box.
And we have our answer, 5,889 liters. This brilliantly illustrates how a big problem can be solved with small, easy steps.
Let's try one more big one from the dairy. Calculating the earnings from selling ghee, which is 574 times 125.
Using the same box method, the dairy earns over 71,000 rupees. You can pause and try it yourself to check.
You've learned the tricks, and now you are ready to solve a real exam-style question. Let's move on and see how this builds. Here's a classic worded problem from page 80 of your book. Pause the video and try to solve it before I show the answer.
Okay, let's break it down. First the boundaries, then the running, then the extras. We add them all together,
And the total is 461. I am so proud of you for solving this. You are all ready for your exams.
Remember, my dear children, the more you practice these methods, the easier they will become.
Now think about it. Calculating total marks, pocket money for the year. What will you calculate using these new super tricks? All the best!